So as you can see, we have this door right over here with the trilogy lock. Now this trilogy lock is opening from here no problem, you know? And then the issue is that you can just literally open the door, which is crazy. So we got called out because the lock was broken and the lock was not opening the door. But after investigation, what's going on is as follows. So if you take a look right over here where the latch is, see that? It is actually just hitting on the bottom right there. Just tiny bit. So what we're gonna do is right over here, just take off a tiny bit. Right there, just a tiny bit. And then that should fix the issue. Now, why did that all happen? So if you take a look right here, you see the hinges and things like that came off at some point, and they screwed it back in, but because of that, you can see that it is more than a 1/8 inch gap on the top, and the alignment is now very different than what should be required. So the whole door went down just a tiny bit. So because it went down a tiny bit, it now is not latching properly. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that up. So what I think is it's actually in the exact position it needs to be along here, but on the bottom part right here, since the door moved down, we're just gonna shave a little bit of that there. And that should solve our problem. Here we go, we'll put our painter's tape just to mark the line as to where we want to shave to. What we want is something like this to be able to get into the groove. Here we go, because I want to be able to get right there without shaving this part. Just there, and this should do the trick. Test it out. You tell me.
Okay.
All right, here we go. The door's now closed. I mean,
Okay,
you got to test it without trying the
Yeah.
code. There you go. The door is now locked, and you need the code to come in.
It works.
It works. Great.
You're so fast.
Thank you. Awesome. All right.
All right.
As you can see, that's all we needed to take off, just a tiny bit.